Oh, dude, you're smoking them. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing duck hunting. We're doing a little local hunt. We've had quite a bit of rain for the last few weeks, and a lot of areas are flooded, like what we're standing behind. There's a big marsh back there. Yeah, with these flooded fields, ducks are flocking to them pretty much, and it was pretty crazy today. We saw so many birds. Watch the video. Hope you guys like it. And what? And Teal. Oh, and Teal. What is that? Oh, look at these dudes. Look at this. Ready? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. How did that land? Okay, there's more. There's more. Oh, those are doves. They're coming back. They're coming back. Ready? Oh, dude, nice. Nice, nice. She dead?
One, right?
No, I missed.
Oh,
I had one. I had a shot, and it was a kind of a bad shot.
I think that's a hen though.
Yeah, I saw the white belly.
You wanna grab her?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, you got him coming back. Here, let's just sit.
Yeah, let's just wait. She's dead. She's folded, so I kind of rushed my shot. Got too excited.
Ready.
Woody's to the left. Woody's to the left. Oh my gosh. Sorry, there was Woody's to the left coming into us. Dude, that group was like right there though. Where are those? Oh man, how did I freaking miss that?
I don't know how I missed that, dude.
Dude, they landed right behind us, huh?
Gosh, dang.
Look at these right here. Oh my god.
Got one.
Oh, dude, you're smoking them. That was...
Alright, I'm gonna get those two.
Yeah, that was... I literally just panicked and shot. That was so...
I'm taking my time way more.
Oh man, yeah, I need to do that.
You wanna put this behind our seats?
Yeah. Alright. Second bird of the day. Grayson's smoking them. I am lagging behind a little bit. Oh my gosh, I gotta stop doing that.
I thought she landed in the road.
No, she fell in the bushes. What the heck?
You got a good mark on it.
Well, I think she wasn't dead. That's the only thing, because she fell right here.
And then swam.
Yeah. Where would she swim though?
That's what I'm thinking.
She would swim that way. Towards the land. I freaking told you. This
You're freaking
is Grayson's teal from the morning.
You're freaking
Our blind is way back there.
I cannot believe that, man. Oh, geez.
Show it.
Yeah, I just shot her in the butt.
Yeah. We saw her flip and land, and I was like, well, if she's not dead, she probably ran away from the blind. And there she is. That's so funny.
Wild.
That right there are two duskies. You cannot shoot those. Wow, if only those were westerns or anything else. That would have been a pop shot right there. If they're dumb and they fly low and they're loud, it's a dusky. And out here in our region, you cannot shoot those. Big ticket.
Oh my god.
Dude, that right there, those are old ducks. Oh my gosh, that's the migration. Gosh, you see that?
Yeah, I had no shot.
I didn't even know they were coming. And I shot my decoy though, but I tried shooting over his back. Yeah. You can put these guys in your pocket if you want to. Look at that, just put it in the pocket. Boom. Let's keep hunting. Dude, where am I? Did I get him? Where did he go? Unfortunately, I don't think I can find him. I'm not 100% sure if I even got him, because I don't see any feathers. He's right over here somewhere. I don't see no feathers, no nothing. Oh man, what I'm thinking was when... Oh man, I'm just crawling through this stuff like I'm a beaver. Oh, there's that. I was right there. He sat right here and I saw his, what I thought was his face, but I think this whole log was blocking his body and his head and everything. And when I shot, I probably just shot this log, because I don't see a single feather. And here's my wad, so it came through to where he was sitting, but he didn't make any noise. After I shot at him, I was thinking maybe he just died. That is unfortunate. I feel like if I ran at him right away, I would have had a chance. I kind of stood there like in awe. I was like, no way, did I just shoot one? Whew, and that there concludes today's hunt. 3 itty bitty birds. All hands. We definitely could have shot way more. And that Drake Woody at the end that I was not able to secure. Not gonna sleep tonight because of it. But overall, we had a great day. It's always amazing being able to go out and enjoy God's beautiful creation and spend time with family and friends. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like and comment. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.